and Vidyananda Shetty of Varaharupa and Vidwan. Also, I would like to thank Lines and Curves, Navar Furniture, Grill Chilies, Apollo Air Home, Healthcare, Dubai Look, Superfix Group, Barrels Group, Rangers Group, and Expert Logistics Solutions, Sandiza Service Freight Services LLC for their support throughout this tournament to make this tournament grand success. Also, I would like to thank Sadiq Kapu, Ajman Sports, Gajanana Cricketers, Triple A Sports, Donia Brothers, Midweek Sports, Bikers, Elegant Group, and also Blitz Travel and Tourism, Sialco Sports, Men in Blue, Ghazal Restaurant for your tasty food, and also Delhi Dhamaka and Sadaf Kapu. Thank you so much for standing with us and supporting us. Also, I would like to thank Zain Al Madina, Tanzim Auto Garage, Tajubai for your wonderful support and staying with us and making this tournament grand success. Here we go for the awarding of first we will start with the man of this match ceremony. First we would have to invite all the guests of the first I would like to call the to join us on stage. Start with Addu Ermal. Mr. Addu, please come and join us on stage. We need you here. Also Mr. Samad Berali, Mr. Suhail Kapu of Expert Davza, Mr. Shafi Kumbagude, Munna Bhai, Mr. Faisal Kapu, Mr. Naveen Bhai is already here. Also, we would like to invite Mr. Imran Koteshwara to join us on stage. Mr. Imran Koteshwara, we need you here. We need Imran Koteshwara. Please come and join us on the stage. Also, I request Mr. Farhan from Medina. Please come and join us on stage. So now, first we would like to award the semi-final player of the match of Karnataka pool. That goes to none other than the mighty Salim of Vidwar Boys. I request Salim to come and collect the man of the match memento. I would like to request Mr. Farhan to hand over this memento to Salim, who has traveled all the way from Bangalore to here. Now I would like to honor the live broadcaster of this event who has helped us throughout this tournament to stream live streaming of this tournament, who has come all the way from India to here. Suraj, please come and collect the memento from the organizer for your wonderful support throughout this tournament. Mr. Suraj. I would like to request Mr. Shafi Bhai to hand over this memento to Suraj. Also, I request Mr. Roshan to collect a memento for supporting us for the sound system and being our voice of this tournament. Mr. Roshan, I would like to request Faisal Kapu to hand over this memento to Roshan Bhai for your wonderful support with the mic system to becoming a voice and lights of this tournament and making this tournament a grand success. Now I would like to request all the officials to come and take the memento. The one memento will be given for the wonderful support. Officials, I would like to request Fayaz, Aditya, Shihab, Kareem, Haris to come and collect the memento from the organizer. I would like to request Mr. Adubai hand over this memento for their wonderful support, giving a right decision at the right time. Thank you so much, Dubai. Also, I would like to request the ground staff and the facility of AKW Sports to come and collect the Mr. Fahad for your wonderful support, being a backbone of this tournament and providing us a wonderful facility. Mr. Fahad, please give him a big round of applause. Mr. Fahad. Now I'd like to call on stage the man who has supported to conduct the tournament for non-Karnataka pool, that is Sahil. Sahir, I would like to request Sahir come and collect the appreciation memento for your wonderful support to make this tournament successful. He's the man behind all the rest of Karnataka team who participated in this tournament. Teams who has participated in this tournament. Sahir, thank you so much for your wonderful support. He is the coordinator of rest of the world team and Naveen 11. Now I would like to request Naveen 11 to felicitate a man who is been playing for Naveen 11, the man who was traveling since 2021 from Qatar to Dubai to play for Naveen 11. Any guesses? Already on the stage here. That's Imran Koteshwara, the man, cricket के कायनात का एक जगमगाता हुआ सितारा. I would like to request Naveen to felicitate the man who is the king of Switch It was playing for DJS Challengers today. Now we'll start with the category award. First, we will start with the man of the match for the finals. And any guesses? It's from Team Pirates. The man जिसके सिक्सर पर गेंद हो जाती थी गुल, देते चिल, वो है अनिल पलक्कड़. I would like to request Anil to come and collect the player of the match moment for a final match. I would like to request Shafi Kumbhagude to hand over this man of the match memento and certificate for Anil Palakkad with the cash prize. Congratulations, Anil Palakkad. You got something to celebrate this National Day holiday. Okay. Okay. This all the category awards will be given for both the sides, one for the Karnataka and one for non-Karnataka. So here we start with the best batsman of Karnataka. Any guesses? The man from Bangalore. Yes, it's Mighty Salim from Vidwar Boys. For his wonderful performance with the bat, he is awarded with the best batsman of this tournament. Congratulations, Salim. Also, he will be awarded with a bat from Sialkot Sports for his wonderful performance with the bat. Also a cash prize. Now the time for best batsman from rest of the world. Any guesses? He's coming here for the... So before that, I would like to call the man of the match award for the semi-final from rest of the world. That goes to Janu Janardhan for his hat-trick in the final over. That's the only hat-trick of this tournament so far. I'd like to request Samad Birali to hand over this man of the match memento for the wonderful performance by Janu Janardhan in the semi-finals against Dubai Star. Now the award for the best batsman from rest of the world. He will be awarded. He will be awarded with a bat from Ajman Sports. Any guesses? He is coming here for the second time on the stage. That's Anil Palakkad, the best batsman of this tournament. He also will be awarded with a cash prize, memento and bat from Ajman Sports for his wonderful performance with the bat. Now, so once again, I'm announcing that the award, all the category awards will be given for both the sides. This is the first time we are giving in that way to make both the teams happy. Now we will go for the best bowler from Karnataka. Any guesses? The man from Vidwar Boys. The man who hoja Shabu. Yes, it's Shabu. Congratulations, Shabuddin Hafiz. He will be awarded with a shoe from Sialkot Sports and a memento and a cash prize to enjoy the National Day holidays. Congratulations, Shabuddin. Now it's time for the best bowler from rest of the world. Any guesses? He is faster than Hussein Bolt. Yes, it is Jibin Bolt.
Shoes from Sialkot.
He will be awarded with a shoe from Sialkot Sports. Also a memento and a cash prize. Come Jibin, today it's your day. I would like to request Imran Koteshwara to hand over this memento, shoe and a cash prize for the best bowler of rest of the world side. Now we will go with the man of this series. Before that, we will go for the best field. This will be given to only one fielder of both the sides. Any guesses? जो हमेशा रहते हैं प्रथम, that is Ramesh Chiku of Vidwar Boys. He will be awarded with a memento and a cash prize. I would like to request Faisal Kapu to hand over this memento and a cash prize to Prathamesh for his wonderful performance on the field. Now it's time for man of the series. This also will be given for both the sides. First it's for Karnataka. Any guesses? Yes, it is Salim from Mighty. That's with icon player.
Shoes and bat from Midwick.
He will be awarded with the shoes and a bat from Ivry. Midwick Sports. He will be awarded with a bat as well as shoes from Midwick Sports. Congratulations, Salim, for entertaining us throughout this tournament. Unfortunately, you can't make it in the finals, but you have won the hearts of all the spectators of this tournament. Now it's time for man of the series from rest of the world side. Any guesses? Who is the Jan and Shan of Team Pirate? Janu Janardhan.
Again from Midwick Sports.
Also, he will be awarded with a bat and shoes from Midwick Sports and a memento as well as a cash prize for Janu Janardhan for his wonderful performance throughout this tournament with the bat as well as ball for Janu Janardhan. Now it's time for the final two awards. First we'll start with the runners-up medals, then followed with the stunning trophy of Naveen 11 runners-up trophy 2025. First, we would like to call all the players of Vidwar Boys to collect the recognition medals from the chief guest on the stage. I would like to request all the players to come and collect one by one on the stage. Here we go with Muhammad Behrouz, Imdad Illu, Mighty Salim, Shabuddin Hafiz, Nikki, Sandy, Deepak, Ankit, Akasha, Naufal, Prathamesh, Chiku for this wonderful performance so far throughout this tournament, but unfortunately they couldn't make it in the finals. They are the top team of Karnataka pool in this today's tournament, who has won the runners-up trophy of Naveen 11 Trophy Season 1 2025.
Captain to collect the trophy and
Now I would like to request the captain of Vidwar Boys to come and collect the runners-up trophy from the chief guest here. I would like to request the captain of Vidwar Boys stand up and collect the runners-up trophy from the organizers. MB is the man, the skipper of team Vidwar Boys, winning runners-up trophy, the topmost team of Karnataka squad, awarded with a shawl and a runners-up trophy of Naveen 11 Trophy Season 1 for the wonderful performance in the Karnataka pool. Now it's time for the champions to come and collect the memento. I would like to request all the players of Team Pirates to come and collect your recognition medals from the organizers here. Please come one by one. Now I would like to request the captain of Team Pirates to come and collect the stunning champions trophy and the shawl from Imran Koteshwar, the man who has travelled all the way from Qatar to here. Here we go for the awarding of champions of Naveen 11 Trophy Season 1. This goes to Team Pirates for this wonderful performance throughout this tournament. That's all from the awarding ceremony. Once again, thank you so much for all the teams, all the team captains, all the team owners for participating in this tournament. Also, I would like to thank all the spectators, all the sponsors of this tournament, all the organizers for making this tournament grand success. With this, where we close this awarding ceremony. Thank you so much. Good night. Have a nice weekend. There is one memento is left over for Men in Blue. I would like to request Gajanna to come and collect the memento from the organizers. I would like to request Mr. Gajanna from Men in Blue. Please come and collect your memento. I would like to request Mr. Gajanna to come and collect the memento from the organizers.